Welcome to Chemist Frank channel. In today's video, I want to talk about Willis Capital. This is the third time I'm talking about Willis Capital here on this YouTube channel, and there are reasons why I'm doing so. I greet you, boss. No be you touch that first mentor, no. Touch you, no that guy. Not that guy. Guy, help me touch that guy that is sweating. Yeah, you. I greet you, mentor. Now, welcome back, guys. First of all, I want you to understand something. Whatever I'm doing on this channel is on personal purpose. It's a personal opinion, and I'm not doing it to hurt any problem, not doing it to hurt anybody, but just an honest review. This morning I got a message from my Instagram, just as usual. I have so many messages there. Most of them are criticizing me, attacking me for reasons best known to them. Now, this particular message, I'm going to read it out now and then react to it ASAP. I will tell you why Willis Capital is not trending. If you think it is not trending, it may be trending somewhere. It may be trending in Zimbabwe. You cannot tell. So attacking me unnecessarily is something which I do not understand. So this is the message I got this morning from my Instagram. The message says, "Clout chaser," they're calling me clout chaser, "your useless reviews made people skeptical about a prominent Willis Capital. Mark my words, you shall reap what you sow." This is one of the messages I get on Instagram. By the way, guys, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is on my description box. I'm not even active on Instagram, as a matter of fact. So please follow me on Instagram. Tap on the link. As you're following me, I'm following you back ASAP. So these guys, they just come to my DM and send message and they run away. Now, please let us form a team there. Let me be active on Instagram, just like other forex traders. So back to business. If Willis Capital is not trending, I don't think I am the cause of it, because I don't even have influence. Is it just 8,000 subscribers that will cause a move? No. You understand? There's no much influence. 2,000 views, 4,000 views, 5,000 views. These are not enough to move anything. By the way, my videos are on honest reviews only. What I'm talking about Willis Capital is on their on the broker which they're using. The broker is Star Trader. And the honest truth is that people are complaining about this broker, Star Trader, based on their activities, based on their bad activities. So is it bad to call on this capital? Is it bad to call on this firm to change their broker? They can change it or they can ignore it. It's just an opinion. Please change this broker. People may not like it. It is a suggestion, right? So that was why this guy came into my DM to attack me. Again, if Willis Capital is not trending today, then the reason is simple. One, because the industry now, generally, they are skeptical about firm, not just on Willis Capital. People are now skeptical about the kind of firm they will use in trading because of mischievous activities happening around firms. So not just on Willis Capital alone, you understand what I'm saying? Firms these days, most of them are no longer paying, you understand what I'm saying? And also, most platforms are rejecting them, like MetaQuote, asking firms to leave their system. So is it my YouTube channel, 8,000 subscribers, that caused that? No. It's just that the environment as it stands now is no longer conducive for prop trading because of previous activities caused by firms, especially the MFF. In fact, the crash of MFF started the whole thing, not Chemist Frank and not my YouTube channel. You understand? MFF crashed. People started asking questions. You have the right to ask questions. Now, as I'm talking to you now, what's the name of the other firm? Funded Trader. Funded Trader is gone. As I'm talking to you now, Funded Trader is gone. Who knows the next? You understand the thing? So it's not my channel that is causing these things. It's just an honest review. Okay? Now, this will also lead me to going into Trustpilot to check out on what people are saying about this firm right now. Since it came out, I think they are having a positive review, just few bad reviews. So let's dive into Trustpilot and see what people are saying about this Willis Capital of a thing. So let's go in there. Alright guys, so this is on Trustpilot. As you can see, their rating is high. They have more 5 stars than other stars, alright? So people are actually giving good testimony about Willis Capital. Let's check out one. This person is coming from Jam Philip. He says, it is paramount that I begin with gratitude, even though I am yet to save enough to purchase a prop account, but I'm working miracles on my demo. And what is this? You are trading demo and you are giving review about a profile. That is a joke. Sorry about that. Let's go to another person. It says Willis Capital, the one-stop shop prop firm. Okay, it says Willis Capital is willing to take you by the hand and walk you through your journey to consistent profitability in the forex market. It is a one-stop shop where you get everything from the preliminary. This person is a hype man actually, because he has not gotten a real life account. Let's see. Challenges for you to prove yourself, skills to live trading account, and lasting professional money. He didn't get any profit, he's just hyping it. So let's look at some other person. Even before the Willis Capital, and to talk for the Willis Capital launching, I have been a trader with one direction, been many ups and downs, this is that. The Willis Capital keeps motivating me that I also can be one of them, for the fact that I don't even have dollar now to purchase. You don't have dollar right now. We want a trader who has gotten the prop account, okay, and then give us a review on his experience about the trading, not a hype man, right? So let's look at another person. I really appreciate the Willis Capital for encouraging me in moments I feel like giving up in trading. I know how to trade, but I don't have capital to do so, and I was discouraged, feeling like giving up. But Willis just made me to believe that the best always comes from hard work. Get an account and trade this. Okay, we have others, you can check it out. Okay, go to Trustpilot and check out these reviews. But let me go to 1 star. All right, let's see why these people gave this prop 1-star review. Let's see why. Okay, so let's filter it and see. Let's see for 1 star. Okay, this person is coming from Veronica. He said, past my phase 2. This person is trading the prop firm. This is what I want. Let's see. I'm not just focusing on the negative review. I want to look at why somebody is criticizing a prop firm before a keyboard master, a paid keyboard master, will go into comment section as usual. So listen, it says, past my phase 2 on 3rd/7/2024 until today, 3rd/9/2024, writing this message, I have not received my funded account. He passed, not funded yet. This is a bad one. No, it's a bad one. If it is true, it's a bad one if it is true. So writing this message, I have not received my funded account. After sending several emails, I received an email yesterday acknowledging my achievement, blah 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 blah. No problem. Let's look at another person. It says, Daps, you are not in the industry to help. Why? Why are you saying that? Let's see. Daps is a funny man. Your trading environment is not conducive. Stop saying you got your master's student at heart when you take money from your investors. Do they tell you to get a 15% target? Wow, 15% target is high. What do you tell them as a monthly return? 50%, right? With a drawdown of 20%. That's what's referred to as conducive environment. Why will other profits be doing a 30% profit target, and you as a mentor that want to help us will be asking us for 15%? Okay, these are, you can read them up. Okay, let's check up on another person. All right, extremely difficult to get the actual funding. Coming from Brain Mombi, it says, extremely difficult to pass the initial challenge, allowing very little room to get the $10,000 Dapo Willis promises. So I got myself the smallest account where I paid $99, then traded on a demo with $10,000. Let me explain in details why I give this a bad review. Number 1, so this person actually participated and gave a bad review. So we have, this person is coming from House Original. Willis Capital is a fraud. I didn't say that, he said it. Willis Capital is a fraud, and the use of scam broker named Star Traders. These Star Traders I'm talking about, that was my review, and that led to this guy coming to my Instagram to say all that. So another person repeating it here, that Star Trader is not reliable, and it's true from my review, from past experience. Okay, so all right, no problems. I wish all prop firm the best, but all I got to say is, as you are creating a prop firm, just keep to maintaining your promises, because these prop firms have the potential of spoiling somebody's reputation. Dapo Willis is a popular person in the industry with a nice reputation, okay, well trusted. He's a clean guy, understand? But I just pray that this prop of a thing doesn't spoil their names, right? Okay, or if this trading of a thing doesn't pay them, they should just tell us, come to the screen and be like, with all the respect, people of God, trading forex is no longer paying us. That's why we are into prop firm. We will understand. We will take it to heart that yes, now you are talking. But if trading is paying so much, like $10,000, like you show us cash on the screen, you make 100,000 millions of naira, you know, what's the essence? What's the essence there? What's the essence? I will see you in the next video, guys. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like I said, we have a big announcement. If you're interested in speaking to the audience from my YouTube channel, please chat me on WhatsApp. I want to interact with traders who want to share their experience so far in forex trading, both forex mentorship programs and all that, so that a low-key trader, a beginner in forex industry can learn. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.